JMP Installation Instructions. Navigate to the JMP download page on the NCSU software website. Select the version of JMP you want to install. A new tab will automatically open and download a .exe file. Open the file you just downloaded. If you receive the security warning, click Run. A loading window will appear. Wait for it to finish loading files. Click Next to continue the installation. Confirm your installation destination, then click Next again. Keep the default selections and click Next. Click Install to begin installing the product. A progress bar will appear. Wait for it to complete. Click Finish to complete the installation. You may also create a shortcut here. Access the program through the Start menu. If the program asks for a license, refer to the JMP License Renewal Instructions.